Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. So far we have completed 20 questions, right? No, we'll be solving the remaining questions in this video. No? Let's go to the question. He has given a sequence and we have to find the pattern. Okay, better for such questions, do from the bottom. Okay, now let's substitute the values. I'm taking option D, AA, D, C. Okay, AA, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, A. Next again B, 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 B option, C, D, A, B. B, C, D, A, F, C, D, A, B. Next, see here, D, D, A, B, C, C. So, here we couldn't able to find any specific sequence, right? So, it can be option D. No, let's go to option C, A, C, D. Okay. A, B, C, D, A. Next, B, B, C, D, A, B. Next, C, C, D, A, B, C, D, D. Okay. See here, we could able to get some sequence, right? So, answer is C. Please check these two options on your own. Okay, friends. Let's go to the next question. Two persons, P and Q, enter into a business. Okay. P puts 14,000 more than Q. Let's take Q is equals to X rupees, his contribution, and P will be what? X plus 14,000. But P has invested for 8 months. 8 months. And Q has invested for 10 months. 10 months. If P's share is 400 rupees more than Q's share out of profit of 2,000 rupees, what is the capital contributed by P? Okay, what is telling? 2,000 rupees share. Okay, the profit earned by Q minus profit earned by P minus Q is 400 rupees, right? Now, from this equation, we'll solve the question, right? By using this equation. What is share of P? Share of P means what? How much he contributed? X plus 14,000 into number of months, right? By total amount, right? Total amount is what? X plus 14,000 into 8 months, plus you contributed what? X rupees into 10 months into 2,000. This is share of P, right? Minus share of Q. What is share of Q? 10 months into X rupees by this whole number. So X plus 14,000 whole into 8 plus 10x into 2,000 is equals to 400. Okay. Now, how can we write this in simple words? See here, 8x plus 14,000 into 8. Let this be like this. Okay, minus this 10x by entire 8x plus 14,000 into 8 plus 10x, right? Whole into 2,000 is equals to 400. Okay, I've taken everything common. Right? So let's do cross multiplication. I will erase it here. See, I'm solving the questions in the question paper itself, so that in the examination also we need to use the space, right? That's it. I'm solving it here itself. Okay. 5 will be multiplied with this, right? Now see, what will be 8x minus 10x minus 2x. So 14,000 into 8 into 5, right? That is 40 minus 10x minus x plus 8x. What will be minus 2x? Minus 2x into 5 minus 10x, right? This is equals to what? This number. That means 18x plus 14,000 into 8, right? Now, after rearranging, what will get? 14,000 into 32 is equals to 28x. Right? Now see, 4 8s are 4 7s are. This is 7 times of 2000, right? So x will be what? That means x is what? Contribution of Q, right? It is 16,000. What is asking in the question? Capital contributed to P. What is P value? We have contributed 14,000 rupees more than Q. That means 16,000 plus 14,000. It is 32. Right? Answer is A. Okay. Let's move to the next question. P salary is 20% lower than Q salary, which is 20% lower than R salary. How much percentage is R salary more than P salary? We'll take Q is equals to 100 rupees salary. What is it? His salary is 20% lower. That means he will be what? 100 into 80%, right? That means 80 rupees. Right? No. Here is still. What is our salary? P is 20% lower than Q salary, which is 20% lower than R salary. Right? That means Q is 20% lower means what? 80% of R, right? You know this value is 100. So R value will be what? 100 by 80%. That is 125 rupees. Right? I was asking what? How much percentage R salary more than P salary? Simple. R minus P by P into 100, right? So what is R? 125 minus what is P? 80 by 80 into 100. 45 by 80 into 100. 0 cancel. 2 4 the 2 5 the. That means 225 by 4 minus 225. 5 the 20. See here. Only one option is there. It's 5. So answer is B. Then you can solve it here. 25. 6 are 25. 1. Simply quantify it. The answer is B. Now, the number is mistakenly divided by 4. Let's take the number is 100. Mistakenly divided by 4 instead. We'll get 25. Instead of multiplying with 4. That means actual number should be what? 400. What is the percentage change? See, the difference between 400 and 25 is the change, right? What is the change? 400 minus 25. It is 375. This much of change. Right? It is asking percentage change. That means 375 by 400 into 100. 375 divided by 4 nines are 36. Right? That means definitely it should be more than 90%. So answer is B. Right? No. Let's go to 28th question. In an examination, 80% of students passed in English. That means how many failed in English? 20% people failed, right? No. 70% of students passed in Hindi. That 30% people failed in Hindi, right? No. 15% failed in both subjects. Both. That means E intersection H is equals to 15%. What is the percentage of students who failed in only one subject? See, this is the Venn diagram. This is English, this is Hindi. Only one subject failed means what? Without taking this intersection part, we need to find the shaded part. That means what? A union B, better let English union Hindi minus English intersection Hindi, right? Okay. What is this value? N of E plus N of H minus E intersection H, right? This value. So ultimately it will become what? This entire equation E plus H minus 2 times of intersection of E and H, right? You know the values? Let's substitute. 20 plus 30 minus 2 times of 50. This 30 gets cancelled. Answer is 20%. Alright. Now let's go to the 29th question. A father said to his son, 10 years back, I was as old as you at present. So let's take present age of father is F and present age of son is S. What is telling? In years back, that means F minus N is equals to this present age. That is what S. My present age is 4 times your age in years back. This present age, that is F, is equals to 4 times of son minus in years back now. If the sum of present ages of father and son is 130. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2, you also given F plus S is equals to 130. Right? See, we have 3 variables: F father's age, S son's age, and N years back. But now what is asking? What is the difference of this of their ages? See, from the first equation, F minus N is equals to S. That F minus S is equals to N. Is asking difference of their ages. So difference of their ages will be N. That means if you get the value of N, you got the answer. Right? No. Let's substitute F value from your equation number 1. What is F value? S plus N, right? No. Let's substitute F is equals to S plus N in second equation. See, S plus N is equals to 4S minus 4N. That means 3S is equals to 5N. So S will be what? 5 by 3 N. Right? No. From third equation, we can write F as N plus S is equals to 130. That means N plus 2 times of S, right? We know this value is 5N by 3 into 5N by 3 equals to 130. Now, by multiplying this equation with 3, what will we get? 3N plus 10N is equals to 390. So 13N is equals to 390. What is N value? N is equals to 30. See here, from this equation, we know the difference between the ages will be N, right? So directly we calculate N value. Okay, answer is 8. See, 30th question is a factual question. Yes, 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kgs. Yes, 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters. This is a factual question. There is no need of any experiment. Answer is B. Okay, let's go to the next question. 35th question. Let X be a 2-digit number and Y be another 2-digit number formed by interchanging the digits. That means if X is equals to AB, Y is equals to BA. If X plus Y is the greatest 2-digit number. What is the greatest 2-digit number? 99, right? That means what? AB plus BA is equals to 99. What is asking? what is the number of possible values of x. Now, how can we write this as? We can write this as 10a plus b plus 10b plus a, right? Converting into decimal system. So it will be what? 11a plus 11b is equals to 99. That means 11 times of a plus b is equals to 99. That means a plus b should be 9. Right? And see, it is 2-digit number. Right? So it can't take 0 for sure. And the max of possibility. And x and y, a and b can take values from 1 to 9, right? So now let's see how many sets are there which satisfy a plus b is equals to 9. 1 and 8, 2 and 7, 3 and 6, 4 and 5, 5 and 4, right? 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 1. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers. The answer is B. Now let's go to the next question. Weight of 6 boys is equals to weight of 7 girls is equals to weight of 3 men equals to weight of 4 women. If the average weight of women is 63 kgs, then what is the average weight of boys? See here, 6 boys, B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6. 6 boys, right? Is equals to 4 women. W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. Okay, it's telling what average of 4 women is 63 kg. 63 kg, right? That means W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4 by 4 is equals to 63. So what is this value? 63 into 4, right? Now he's asking what average of boys. That means this entire thing by 6. Right? What is this value? Value of sum of 4 women. That is 63 by 4. So answer is what? 63 into 4 by 6. Right? 2, 3, sorry. 3 2s are 3, 21 by 2. Answer is 42 kgs. Okay? Now, let's go to the next question. How many times hours and minutes and coincide in a clock between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m.? See in the examination hall, we'll take analog watch it. You can check the itself. But let's see, from 10 to 11, it coincides once, right? No, from 11 to 1, it will coincide at one time only. That is 12 p.m. Okay, and again from 1 to 2, it coincides only once. So total how many times? 3 times. Answer is A. Okay, now let's go to the next question. The calendar for the year 2025 is same for. Okay, that means the number of odds this should be same, right? Now I'm excluding this 2025 and taking odd numbers. Okay, 2026. How many odd days? It is non-leap year, right? So 1. 2027 is also non-leap year. So only 1 odd day. 2028 is leap year. So 2 odd days. 2029 1 odd day. 2030 1 odd day. 2030 2031 so 1 odd day. Now let's add 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 7. That means since I have excluded 2025 in the calculation part, this will be the answer 2031. Okay, the number of odd days rating 7 at 2031 year. So answer is C. Okay, if you include 2025, take the next year. Okay, you will calculate up to 2030. Up to 2030, you will get 7 odd days. So the next year will be the answer. That's right. Without confusion, I have excluded 2025. Right? Let's go to the 39th question. Let P, Q, R, and S be distinct positive integers. Okay. P, Q are odd. R, S are even. Consider the following statements. In first statement, P minus R square into QS is even. See here. Here S is even. Right? So anything multiplied by even is even. So this statement is correct. In the second statement also, we have S here. S is even, no? So anything multiplied by even number will be an even number. Now see here. Q plus R. Here Q is odd, R is even. So even plus odd will be odd. Right? Odd square also will be odd. Next, here P is odd, S is even. So odd plus even, odd. So odd into odd only. Right? So answer is P. Okay? No. Let's go to the 40th question. What is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand? Yes, given the time. Simple. Any clock, we know only one formula. 11 by 2 into 30 H. What is minutes here? 25 minutes. So 11 by 2 into 25. Minus hours is 4. 30 into 4. Okay. Solve. See here. 11 by 2 means 5 by 5. 5.5, right? 5.5 into 25. 25 5 125 plus 25 5 120. 5, 7, 3, 1. Since here it is 1 point here, this is 137.5 minus 4, 30 into 4. That is 1. Answer is what? 17.5. Answer is. So, okay, friends. This will be the last question for this video. Remaining questions will be seen in the next video. Okay, friends. Thank you.